How to fix orange hair. Make your own purple toner at home. You'll need a moisturizing conditioner of your choice. These don't have to be expensive, just as long as they are white in color. I'm using Manic Panic ultraviolet hair dye. Empty the conditioner into the bowl. You can also just use half a bottle to start off with, then add 2 to 3 drops of the violet dye or food coloring. Violet dye, which is a semi-permanent and peroxide-free hair color, are a really good quality food coloring such as Betty Crocker in a violet shade. Stir very well and add more if you feel the purple isn't deep enough for you. If your hair color is very yellow or orange, you may need to add another drop or 2. How to use. While in the shower, apply a good size depending on the length and thickness of your hair amount of the purple shampoo or purple toner onto wet hair. Massage into wet hair in slow, circular motions as if you were using regular. Let the purple toner sit in your hair for at least 5 minutes.